Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as the title says, today I'm doing a watercoloring tutorial for a wig. I'm making this blonde silverish wig pink. So I'm going to use Adore Cotton Candy 190. And in the beginning, as you saw, I poured a pot of basically boiling hot water into the bucket and then about half of the container of dye. So what you want to do is switch it around like really good and kind of not do what I did. There were still some clumps left in there, and you'll see later on the wig that some parts in the back have like really intense pigment, and that's where the clumps kind of latched onto the hair. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just taking the wig out, putting it back in, and then letting it sit in the water for a little bit longer. The reason why I'm taking out and putting it back in is to make sure that every strand actually gets the pigment on it. Because if you just put it in there once, the outer layer will be very pigmented. And then when you kind of move the hair back, you'll see that the middle will still have like no color to it. Okay, and so this is the color after the first pass. It's a super light pastel pink. I wanted it a little bit more pigmented, so I added the rest of the bottle into the mixture. Had to clean up my little mess, and so going back, and then this time I started a little bit better, and then I put it in on the side that I saw had the least amount of pigmentation in it first. So that side was still pretty silver slash blonde, so I put it in there first, switched it around, pressed it down, and then set a 2-minute timer. So you can just leave it in there for about 2 to 3 minutes. It depends on how pigmented you want it to be. And so you see I'm just checking the color, seeing if it has if the color has really latched onto the hair yet. And so this is the final color. It came out too wet. It looks like a rose gold, light pink, a little brassy, but you'll see in the next clips how it's gonna turn out. So in like natural lighting, you can see that it's super light pink. And for the next couple minutes, I'm just gonna be blow drying the hair. Okay, so this is the hair mostly blow dried. Um, as you can see, it gets super straight. I got this wig from Amazon, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend it because it sheds a lot. But if you guys want to know which wig it is, just leave a comment in the comments below and I'll link it. But you can see back here the spots that the globs from before got like latched onto. Um, it doesn't look the worst, but if you stir it while it's really hot and you stir it well, you can avoid all that. Okay, so my camera broke, it died, it won't turn back on, so I'm gonna record the rest of this video on my phone. Let's hope it's not like too bad of a quality. But I didn't like how the hair looked straight, so I'm gonna just go ahead and curl it, and then when I'm done curling it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know if you want to see any more videos of me watercoloring wigs, any other wig tutorials, things along that nature. If you're interested in this makeup look, that video is also coming soon. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.